Hi guys, my name is Jana and I'm 8 years old. I'm from Jordan. I know how to cook this. So we're gonna learn how to cook the cheesecake.
Perfect.
Stay home, stay safe, and make sure to like and subscribe and share. Let's go. First of all, we need digestive cookies, which we're gonna use to crush. First, we need to open them. So we're gonna put the cookies in. Make sure to get every cookie. And then you're gonna need to open the other pack. I'm using scissors because they're hard to open. Just like I told you, get every single cookie. You need to make the cookies look just like this, and then we're gonna put the butter. Use this butter, it's very good for making cheesecakes. Cut it up in pieces, which we did, and then microwave it for 15 seconds. The butter is ready, and you need to make sure the cookies are fluffed before you pour in the butter. And then we're gonna pour in the butter carefully. Be careful, it's gonna be hot. And then mix it in. Make sure you mix it carefully and don't spill it outside. So guys, we're done putting the butter. It needs to look like this. We're gonna put the base in the desired bowl. And then we're gonna spread it with the spoon around. We're gonna spread it around with the spoon. And then we're gonna do it just like this, and then we're gonna flatten it up with a spoon, just like this. So maybe you could put flour. We put flour. The difference is you could either make it fluffy without, and just like how it is when you buy it from stores and that stuff. It's how you put with it 2 cups of flour, and then we spreaded it, and then press it with the back of the spoon, just like this. We're already finished with that process, so let's go to the other process. We're gonna place it in a warm oven for 10 minutes, and then we'll go back. While the base is in the oven, we're gonna do the topping. So first, you need to get lebanon. This kind is good. You need to put the whole thing into the bowl. And then we're gonna put condensed milk. Sweet condensed milk. This is also good for the process. We're gonna pour the whole thing in. And then when we're done, we're gonna open we're gonna open it up and pour it in next. 2 whole packets, not the box blocks just like these, 2 of them. Now we're done putting them in. Now when we're done, we're gonna mix it all up. So guys, we're gonna use this mixer. There's another kind of mixer that you can use. We're gonna start off with the one. We're gonna start slowly by slowly. So now we're gonna put cling paper, which is just like the clear foil.
It's okay, it's okay.
Now we're gonna cut it. And then we're gonna refrigerate it for 1 hour. We finished the base and the top of the base. Now we're gonna put the top of the base on the base. First we're gonna open the clear wrap that we put. Then we're gonna get a spatula. We're gonna put all of it on top first. Now we're gonna start spreading. So now we're gonna put the topping. I'm using blueberries. Now we're gonna pour them. Now we spreaded the blueberries, and I'm gonna tell you something in Arabic. صحتين والله يعطيكم العافية. صحتين وعافية وباي. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification.